Dr. Rachel Vannatta embodies an educational tour de force at BGSU, shaping the learning experience in highly constructive and positive ways, whether it's in a face-to-face setting or through online coursework. While her subject matter may be intimidating to many, her methods are inspiring across the board. The old adage says, before you can walk, you've got to crawl. But in Dr. Rachel Vannatta's hands, that concept takes on new life in the world of statistics. Her groundbreaking refresher course, Baby Stats, an Introduction to Statistics in Social Sciences, gives students a leg up on the subject, something particularly helpful for those who are reintroducing themselves to graduate-level study. Dr. Vannatta continues to hit the ground running in terms of academic achievement, actively publishing 18 peer-reviewed articles, 5 peer-reviewed book chapters, and 38 peer-reviewed proceedings, primarily on the topic of teacher integration and technology. Over time, she has also played pivotal roles in helping secure $4 million in externally funded grants, as well as training more than 1,000 K-12 teachers on assessment development. Some have called her mastery of the flipped classroom, in which lectures are viewed independently first, then discussed in groups second, as nearly legendary. That's high praise by any standard, perhaps only eclipsed by the celebrated title that now follows her name. Dr. Rachel Vannatta, Distinguished Teaching Professor.